guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will be teaching you how to make your own soccer game. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go workspace and then click base plate. I'll click on it, and now we're going to go to brick color, make it whatever green you want. I'm going to make it this green. I'm going to make it sea green, and then we're going to click on the material, click on plastic, and then after you do that, click on the down arrow, and then you go down until you find grass. You just look until you find grass, and where could the grass be? Oh, and then when you find it, hover your mouse over it, and then click it. Now, this makes the base plate a soccer game, the soccer field. Now, we get our soccer goal. You can make one, but I'm just going to get, I don't really know how to spell soccer though, but still, I'm just going to get a goal. Yes. And then, when we make both of the goals, one here, and then another one right here. And now we are going to put this right here. Make sure they sort of line up. I don't really care, but now what we're going to do is that we are going to do this. What we're going to do is that insert a part, and now this will be the part, these will be the fences, so then our ball doesn't fall off the edge of the map and then you lose the ball permanently and then you have to rejoin in a different server. We all know that's not fun to keep on leaving and rejoining. So we are going to make the backboard of it. Make sure they're on every side. So make it like this. Make it as high as possible. And the base plate is a square, by the way. And then we're going to use transform, and we're going to make it always 90 degrees. That's what I always do. I always just do 90. And now after that, we are going to select both of this. See these two things? Make sure you don't select your goal. But okay, since I'm having difficulties with the goal, let's click on the goal that's actually making the issue. Now, we're going to do Control U if you just get a free model. And then do Control U. And then you basically just do that until you get to this part. Make sure locked is on, so then you don't have to worry about, touching it. And now, since we have got that, we're going to transform it. We don't need to move it at all. We're going to do the green. We're going to hold and then drag until we get a 180. And the reason why you should do it exactly like a square. So now we are going to select all the parts and like this. Like this. And you can always move your soccer goal and make it locked. Let's just make the soccer goal locked like this. And now we're going to make lock on, so then we don't have to worry about it. And now, since we can select all of them, not like the soccer game we have in the group, we're going to make it so that we're going to find Cash Shadow. You could find it in the scroll, or you could search it up by doing CAST, which stands for Cash Shadow. We're going to make Cash Shadow false. So this is when Cash Shadow is on, and then if we put it back on, this is with not on. You could prefer how you want it. I just like it cartoony. And now we are going to select all of it again. Sorry, my bad though. Now we have to make it so that we're gonna search up transparent, or you could click on it right here. So I'm gonna search up and then it should be right here, and then move the bar until it's like this. Now we're gonna go up to base plate. Remember, our base plate is actually locked, by the way. If you are wondering why you can't select it, you can always unlock it. So we can always hover on top of it to see where it is. So if you accidentally mess up, then you can always go back. So there, we got our soccer game. Now the main part is, look, we're gonna insert a thing called a spear. And see, you get it by going to part, and then you click this, and then you click down the spear, and it always will be there unless you do other stuff. So now we gotta, put it in the middle and make it small. And now we're gonna insert a dummy. Like, go into plugins, and I will just insert my character. You don't have to get this, but I'm just getting Moon. I'm using Moon Animator, but I'm not really going to animate. There's no animating for this video. So now we're going to compare this. Mine is like a real dummy, but still it's just colored. So we're going to make it so that it's like that. There. Now we can save me if we need it for later. And just customize it. You can only put decals on it, sorry. Because I don't actually know how to actually add other parts than they stick on it. Wait, no, that won't work. I was thinking of something in my head, but no, yeah. So anyways, I'm going to make the soccer ball white. I'm just going to make it white like a normal soccer ball. And we're going to get rid of Kid Cool I. And look. There's no scripting in this video, by the way. So, if you're wondering, oh, I want to make a big game, like a huge game where there's a stadium and everything. No, we're not doing that. But maybe you can make your own stadium. Remember, look, look. If we just do it, look, it actually moves. It's just hard to make it move, so it's going to be a challenging game. Get back! This is a fun soccer game, actually. You can make like a team like red and blue. I don't know how to do that, but you can do that. Look, it's just still going. Oh no. So look, I'll show you what our border was for. Wait, did our border fall down? No, it's still there, look. See, like, so then you don't actually mess it up. And yeah, so this is it. And now let's just select this. And it's like a normal game of soccer, and then boom, you basically win. It just goes into there, like you win, basically. So, and we can, and look, the soccer ball's over there. I'm like, oh, how you doing? So now that is how you make your own, very own soccer game inside of Roblox Studio. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. Goodbye.